Imagine effortlessly transforming your social media presence, engaging your audience, and growing your brand, all while saving precious time. With SocialBee, this dream becomes reality, letting you focus on what you do best, running your business. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how to use SocialBee for social media. So the first thing that you have to do is open your web browser and dive into socialbee.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is SocialBee? SocialBee is a social media management platform that helps users create, schedule, and manage their social media content efficiently. It offers tools for content categorization, analytics, and audience engagement, enabling businesses and individuals to enhance their online presence and streamline their marketing efforts. So to get started, all you have to do is click over sign up for free, and then you'll find this page. You write your email address and your password, then you get started. So this is the home page. Hello, stay on top of your social media social hive story by creating and scheduling posts consistently. You have it getting started with SocialBee. Set up your account in just a few steps. The first step, we have connect social accounts to increase your online presence. Then we have the second step, which is define your content categories to manage and diversify your posting strategy. The third step, which is schedule categories to craft perfect posting plan. Then the last step, we have create and customize posts for each network. Then you have your connected social accounts. We have, for example, Facebook, Instagram, Threads, Pinterest, LinkedIn, X or Twitter, and Google Business Profile, TikTok, YouTube, Plusky, or Universal Posting. If we scroll down, we have also here Service Marketplace. We have formed a partnership with Fiverr, granting you access to a diverse range of service providers within the SocialBee certified marketplace. We have hired SocialBee experts. Are you an agency? And we have your SocialBee University. Unlock the dynamic world of digital marketing with courses and events that covers all social media strategies. We have here become a social media manager, how to use SocialBee. So right now I will give you how you can use SocialBee. So SocialBee is a powerful tool for managing your social media presence effectively. So to get started, first, as I did before, sign up for an account and connect your social media profiles. Then create content categories based on your marketing goals, such as promotions, industry news, and engagement posts. You can schedule posts in advance, allowing for consistent sharing without daily effort. Use the content calendar to visualize your posting schedule and adjust as needed. Additionally, take advantage of SocialBee's recycling features, which helps you repurpose evergreen content, maximizing its reach over time. Finally, monitor engagement analytics to refine your strategy and optimize future posts. With SocialBee, you can streamline your social media efforts and enhance your online visibility effortlessly. So this is how it works with the dashboard. Then let's move on to the content. So I will show you step by step how you can get started with SocialBee and how you can use SocialBee. So we have here content. We have the first things, categories, hashtag collection, import, sales fee, import links, import media. We have RSS, Pocket, Zipper also. About the first one, categories, your content categories. Content is king, and you will feel the same once you start adding F to your categories. You click over create a category, then you write your category name and you add your description, and then you click over create a category. Then you have also here default settings, URL settings. So this is how you can create categories. Then we have hashtag collection. Hashtag collections, add, edit, or relate your hashtag collections from here. You'll be able to quickly add them to your posts. Then you click over add hashtag collection, you write your collection name, hashtags, list, and then you click over create. Then you have your import CSV. Then we have your important links and important medias here. Important media is Rocket. Then we have here support. So we have just to click over add and to get started. Then we have some media couplet. Answer the questions below to generate a strategy for your schedule that is relevant and on trend for your profiles. Find out more on how to use the social media couples here. So you just have to answer these questions. Who are you creating for this for person? Then write what is your name, and that's it. Then we have here important step, which is schedule setup. This is how your categories are scheduled. Looks good. If not, just change it. You have just to click over Monday, for example, and you click over add posting, and you choose how many days here, for example. I will choose 5 days, and then you select the categories here. Then you choose time, for example, 7 o'clock or 5 o'clock, for example. Then you click over create and you get started. Also, we have your calendar view. So, for example, I know I need at 10 o'clock Wednesday post. So I will select category here. Then I will click over create. So that's it for schedule setup. Then we have next post here. View your next post, take a look at your upcoming 100 posts. As you can see, we have your calendar view, grade review, you have field post also, and then we have your analytics. See here how your social profile has been performing and growing. Post analytics, insights, post history, export also. Then we have the last. We have SocialBee services. The first step to getting new concierge services is filling in the in-text. Do that here now and start saving time. Then you have your engaged. You can just click over add new board and you write your name and you click over save. And then you add a new string. For example, social profile. And that's it. Then you have your help also. You just ask about something, then you click over send and you will get your answer. So SocialBee offers a comprehensive solution for managing your social media strategy efficiently by organizing content into categories, scheduling posts in advance, and utilizing recycling features. You can maintain a consistent and engaging online presence coupled with robust analytics. SocialBee empowers you to refine your approach and maximize your reach. With this tool, you can focus more on creating quality content and less on the logistics of posting, ultimately driving better results for your brand. So this is how it works with SocialBee. You can just get started with it. It's very helpful for social media and how to plan on that. So this is how it works, and you will just get started right now. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.